With you, I am growing. In your blessings, I am flowing. Who says you are just a river? You are my mother, father, teacher, and provider. You are the home to my soul. My sorrows, my sins, I offer at your feet. But you know what? How can a child see a mother weep? I am the human race, and you, my holy mother, Ma Ganga, a symbol of faith, heritage, and civilization. I will cross the 7 seas to restore your pride, beauty, and lost glory. Ganga, the most worshipped yet the most neglected river. To save this lifeline of India, let's light the fire in the hearts of all across the world. No more acts, only actions now. Namami Gange, Integrated Ganga Conservation Mission. A mission involving every Indian, right from the Prime Minister of India to the NRI living in America. An ardent and devoted follower of Ma Ganga has given a vision of wholesome rejuvenation of the river, Nirmal as well as Aviral Ganga. The sacred should be the purest. The self-purifying and special properties of Ganga Jal must be brought back. But the task was not just one agency or one ministry's job. Solving this for the first time in India, adopting a comprehensive approach, a separate ministry has been formed, converging multiple agencies under one roof. The same way, Ganga and its tributaries also have been brought under one umbrella. Under the Namami Gange mission, a Ganga task force has been formed. Comprehensive research is being conducted on communities depending on Ganga. Latest technology, including GIS and spatial analysis, is being used. Also, a state-of-the-art National Ganga Monitoring Center is coming up, along with a detailed action plan by a consortium of 7 IITs. The primary focus of Namami Gange mission is a strong sewerage infrastructure, ensuring no untreated sewage or effluent is to be discharged into the river. Taking firm steps, industrial pollution will be abated. Low-cost sanitation facilities will be developed. Organic farming will be promoted. Riverfront development projects will be taken for major ghats. Afforestation will be taken up on a massive scale. And Gangetic flora and fauna will be conserved to maintain Ganga's ecological integrity. But none of these actions will work until we all dedicate ourselves to this mission. The Clean Ganga Fund has been designed to be one such channel, to channelize resources from across the world towards this mission, from individuals as well as institutions, both Indian and foreign. Bring in innovative managerial and technological know-how and connect the international community. All are welcomed to join hands in this noble mission. You too can donate funds, create awareness, plant trees, pilot new technologies, conduct research, adopt ghats. Through your contribution and participation, our ancient Ganga will find a modern identity. The holy shores of Ganga will become the pride for every Indian. Religious and ecotourism will get a boost. And our towns and cities on the shore will get a new look and lifestyle. Let us not stop at merely quoting the Ved and Puran about the greatness of Ganga. We must aspire to bring such a future. When our kids search for Ganga, they can find a great, glorious river, replete with pride and beauty. And then we will proudly quote, "Your ancient home, your auspicious friendship, O heroes, your wealth is on the banks of the Ganga. Har Har Gange."